Okay, I'm going to speedrun creating an AI chatbot using OpenAI's API and Cursor Composer. So let's open up Composer and say, I want to create my own chatbot using OpenAI. See what it does. So it's doing that. It's making me an HTML file. And for some reason, it kind of didn't work all the way. Okay, so now it did. So we have all this code now that it just created for us. And okay. Now we can go to OpenAI and we can get an API key, which you need to get a subscription to use, by the way. So that's important. Now I can put it, where do I put my key? It's making the code. Oh, right here. Replace it right here. Okay, we're going to accept that, and we're going to go back to our page. Oh, we need to open the page with live server. Now we have a page. Hi. I think what we need is to do this. Okay, just added some commas. Hi. Oh, now we got a chatbot. That took about 3 seconds. How are you today? My name is Josh. So now we built our own chatbot using OpenAI's API. All we did was ask Cursor to make a little basic file, and we threw in an API key. We made sure we had the quotes on the sides, and now it's working. Okay, now I'm going to say, what was my first message? My first message was, hi, hello, how are you? How can I help you today? Not true. That's not what it was. So it doesn't have memory. So I'm going to say, I'm going to open up Cursor with Command I again. Add memory to the bot and use GPT 4o mini. So 4o mini is the newest model. It's very cheap. So you can see right here, it's using GPT 3.5 Turbo. So it's going to change some code up. What it's trying to do is actually get rid of my API key, because you're not supposed to have your API key in a live project necessarily, but we're not live. We're just testing it. So I'm just going to leave that. And it says I need 4o mini, and we're going to accept all. And it should use a new model. Hello. What was my first message? Your first message was hello. Okay, so now it has memory of what you've been talking about. Okay, so now we can say, okay, now style the page in a sci-fi style and give me a button of characters the AI can be that I can select, like Darth Vader, let's say Peter Griffin. Okay, so we're going to change the style of the page and add a button to have different personalities for the AI chatbot. See what it does. Okay, so now it's adding some styling to the page. All this is styling, and it's adding the buttons. Default, Darth Vader, Peter Griffin. It's keeping the API key this time. Good. What's it changing? It keeps wanting to give this 4o GPT-4, but I want 4o mini. So here I'm just going to press no on this one just to make sure that it keeps everything else. Accept. Now we have all of our code. We're gonna go back. Look at that. Okay. Now we're gonna use Darth Vader. Hi there. AI Darth Vader. I sense a disturbance in the force. What is it that you should speak, young interlocutor? Interesting. Okay, so we made this in like 5 minutes. Now, Peter Griffin. What's up, Doc? AI Peter Griffin. Not much. Just do my thing. You know, eating a bunch of junk food and trying to avoid responsibility like it's a rabid dog on the street. But enough about me. So we just made an AI chatbot. We gave it different personalities, and we gave it memory, and we styled the page in like a couple of minutes. This is cool. So do with that what you will.